Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
So today I'm going to unbox and show you the new product I bought recently to you guys, and I hope you will like that. And it's this product is about it's a food product actually, and as usual, it's a healthy food. The product I have today to unbox and show you guys, and I really think that you will like because it's totally healthy, totally full of nutrition, and full of a lot of elements we look for always. And also, the thing we always look for is sugar free, right? That is also will be the part of this product. You will see, and it's a new brand. I have never tried this one, so it will be very cool to see this product, what it is and how it is. So let's do this unboxing right away. So this product I have today to show you guys is I have got it from the brand name Open Secret. This is what its name is, and I will show you guys now instead of just talking. Keep like this way, okay?
So, this is the box, this is the combo pack I have ordered from Open Secret Store actually. So, this is how it looks. The packaging is really good. उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से पैक करके इसे दिया है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. Now, let's cut this packaging. और इस पैकेज में मैंने जो मंगवाया है वो है कॉम्बो पैकेज एक्चुअली. सो इसमें 3 आइटम होंगे. 2 आइटम इज मिल्क शेक टाइप मिक्सेस है और एक है कुकीज़. दैट इज आई एम सॉरी व्हाट वी कॉल दे, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ cookies of almonds and other elements. So this is how this box is after unwrapping the box cover. Now let's cut this tape so we can open this box. इसकी पैकेजिंग मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड इट्स अ कॉम्बो पैकेज. सो मुझे इस कॉम्बो पैकेज में इसके साथ एक मिल्क शेकर भी मिला है. सो वी विल आल्सो गेट टू सी दैट इन दिस बॉक्स. सो इस अनबॉक्सिंग में हम सिर्फ इन चीज़ों को देखेंगे. एंड दिस इज इट इज़.
This is the box. Milkshake mixed choco almond, vanilla, केसर बादाम. Actually, shake for that.
So this is a thank you note from Open Secret. We'll see that later. और ये है कुकीज़ का बॉक्स. लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस वन. इसमें है कुकीज़ एक्चुअली. लेट मी शो यू प्रॉपर्ली. सो लेट्स सी द थैंक यू नोट.
Thank you for trusting us with you. Snacking, we believe in food's power to bring people together and spread joy. We are unjunking you our favorite family snacks. For some ingredients, moms knows and love. If you love our snacks, please post a picture on social media and tag us. We love seeing your happy faces in your snacking.
And this is another one for review purpose, I think. Yeah, that's fine. And this is the shaker I have gotten with this combo. Let's unbox this cookies box now, which is part of this combo. I think around 30 cookies should be there inside this box. और ये जो कुकीज़ है ये टोटली हेल्दी कुकी है. इसमें सिर्फ नट्स और कुछ चॉकलेट आई थिंक है. इसमें मैदा वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. This is kind of cookies are there, so I am trying this first time. और tada, here it is, our cookies box is opened. So ये है open secret cake cookies. It's an choco almond cookies actually. So I just unboxed this for you guys to show you this part of the combo.
Choco almond cookies.
Let's remove this wrapping of this our shaker, and this is how it looks. It's quite okay shaker.
शेकर ॲक्च्युली हा शेकर जास्त शेक करण्यासाठी असतो हा. So in the next video we will get to see all of these important items we have seen in this open secret combo unboxing separately, and individually we will see what these products are and everything about them in their separate videos. So this was the unboxing of overall package where I have been ordered with the different items actually from the open secret. So that's we have seen in this video. But for more info and for more detailed view of these products, we will see in the next part of this video. So be tuned with them. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks again.